I installed Linux on my phone, and it is completely different from any other version of Linux I have tried on mobile so far. It is incredibly lightweight and runs smoothly on almost any device, and the best part is, I did not need to root my phone or install anything through Termux to get it running. It feels just like Ubuntu Touch, but it is far more capable since it runs with full GPU acceleration. You can run everything on this that you would normally run on a real Linux desktop, things like AI agents, VS Code, and full multitasking, along with a lot more that you will see in a moment. Once you connect a wireless keyboard and mouse, this setup genuinely feels like using a real Linux system. And if your phone supports display output, you can connect it to any external display and switch into DeX mode, which essentially transforms your phone into a fully functional PC. At that point, you will barely be able to tell the difference between your phone and an actual computer. Since your phone has effectively turned into a PC, you can push this Android-based Linux setup to its full potential, just like you would with a desktop. For example, you can run AI agents directly on it, just like you see happening on screen right now. And if you need spreadsheets for work or other tasks, you can run LibreOffice, a solid open source alternative to Excel. You can also run VS Code on this, so you can write code and build entire projects straight from your phone. You can even use agentic coding tools to build a project directly on your device with ease. If your phone does not support DeX mode with display output, you can rely on tools like Scrcpy or Android Dex instead, which give you an experience very close to Samsung DeX on virtually any device. As you can see on screen, I am running this Android Linux setup on my phone and connecting it to my PC, just like Samsung DeX. On this Android Linux environment, you can comfortably run demanding 3D applications like Blender, which means you can create real 3D graphics directly from your phone. If you are wondering how this distribution manages to handle such heavy applications on mobile hardware, it comes down to how well optimized it is for your phone's processor. That optimization enables smooth performance through GPU acceleration and allows it to run a wide range of Linux applications without any issues. That is exactly why Blender runs so smoothly on my Moto phone as well. It is powered by a Dimensity chipset, which is less powerful than a Snapdragon processor, and yet Blender still performs impressively on it. This Linux setup is also fully customizable, so you can shape it around your specific workflow. It is lightweight, efficient, and runs smoothly without requiring root access or an unlocked bootloader. On top of that, it is remarkably easy to set up. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your phone, and let's get started with the installation. To install this Linux distribution on your phone, head over to its repository. I will include the link in the description below. This is an open source project built by Noor. To get started, scroll down to the releases section and open it. From there, download the DroidDex app from the Assets section. Once the download finishes, go ahead and install it. It is completely safe, so you can proceed without any concerns. After installation, open the app, then tap on the Setup Desktop Essentials button. Now, select the first option, XFCE4, and hit Install. The Linux installation will begin, and it may take a little time to complete, so hang tight while it finishes. Once installation is done, tap on Launch DroidDex. You will see three options that let you access the terminal without fully entering the Linux environment, in case you need that. From here, you can install applications through the Add Applications section. I would recommend installing the ones featured earlier in the intro. Be sure to install Debian, since it forms the core of the entire system. After the applications finish installing, tap Launch Desktop, and within seconds, your Linux distribution will boot up on your Android phone, fully ready for you to use. If your Linux environment happens to close on its own while in use, Here's a quick fix. Head into your phone's settings and open Developer Options. If it is not enabled, turn it on. Scroll down until you find the Disable Child Process Restriction setting and enable it. Once that is active, your Linux instance will no longer crash or shut down unexpectedly, no matter how heavily you use it. From here, you can use this setup just like a full Linux PC. Whenever you need to install something, simply open the terminal, run the apt install command with the package name, and it will install right away. For applications like Blender, first enter the Debian environment by running the start Debian command. Once inside, you can install any Linux TUI application using the apt install command. Keep in mind that any GUI applications you install within the Debian environment will also launch inside that same environment. Just type the application's name into the terminal and it will open immediately. And that wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed exploring Linux on your phone. If you did, drop a like, and if you want more content like this, go ahead and subscribe. And if you run into any issues during installation, leave a comment below and I will do everything I can to help you out. So go enjoy running Linux on your phone and I will catch you in the next one.